Hey, good morning. It's Jeremiah, Affordable Mobility. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is a rear entry, manual ramp and door, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers on these clamps that keep the ramps from rattling. They're a good design. I pinch and I flip. Got a handle on either side to take down the ramp. Again, I pinch and I flip. And I can take this ramp to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 34-inch wide ramp with ease. That's 4 inches wider than most side entries. So if you're looking to haul a bigger chair or chairs, the rear entry might be the answer for you. Now, if someone parks next to you in a side entry vehicle, you cannot get out in the wheelchair. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. Now, that's few of the advantages to the rear entry. We do sell side entry, we sell full size, we sell some SUVs. If you don't see it on our website, we probably got it getting ready. Get in touch with me, I can help you find it if we don't. 800-pound weight capacity. You got about 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van, and then about 56 once you're inside the van. It does taper down to about 32 inches of width here where the ramp sets. And this is the deep cut, meaning it'll hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or the gurney or the stretcher. We can even put a third row seat that'll flip down when in use, flip up when it's out of the way. The second row of seats, we have about 21 inches of room between them. We can put flip base seats in and they'll flip up on their sides. My point is, tell me how many people you're hauling. Tell me your measurements. Let us help customize this van to meet your needs. Got your spare tire there. The headliner's in great shape. Got your rear air controls up there. We've got the 8 tie-down points for the 2 wheelchairs, and we do throw the upgraded Q-strength tie-downs in at no charge to you. Beware, some of our competitors are going to try to charge you $600 to $800 to upgrade to these. We throw them in at no additional charge, so compare apples to apples. Got your tie-down and warranty information there. Cup holder plug-ins for your electronics. Even more cup holders here. Dual climate control. You got your rear air. Dash is in great shape. I don't see any cracks or holes in the dash. You got your steering wheel controls so you can safely keep your eyes on the road. When we got everybody secure, come back out. All we do is simply reverse the process I just did. Again, 1 finger is all it takes. Super simple to do. Not going to leave you stranded like the electric ramps and doors. And our brand new conversion comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty. Now, a lot of our competitors are going to tell you they have a better built conversion than we do. That's fine. That's what they get paid to say. But I want you to ask them what their warranty is. A lot of them have no warranty. A lot of them 1 year, 12,000 miles. Some of them 3 years, 36,000 miles. I want you to compare those options to our 3-year unlimited mile warranty. You tell me who has the best built conversion. Pretty simple, right? Tinted windows. We put 4 brand new tires on this van. So all the tires are brand spanking new. Don't even have 5 miles on them. As I do a walk around of the van, you can see it's very clean. I'm looking for, little dents or scratches. It's hard to find in this van. But if I see them, I'll sure let you know. Sorry about that, took a phone call. This phone rings fast and furious, but doing the walk around here, very clean van. And you hear me talk all the time how we can save you $5,000 to $10,000 versus the competition. How we do it is simple. It's low overhead. There's no magic trick to it. It's low overhead. We have 1 central location right here in the middle of the country. Allows us to do free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states. Obviously saves you money. I want you to imagine my competitors that have 5, 10, 20, 40 locations. I want you to imagine all their overhead every month. Millions of dollars a month more than ours compared with our 1 central location. So we work hard, we're efficient, we have low overhead with our 1 location. That's how we save you so much money. There's no magic to it. And no matter who you buy from, get a video with the VIN number. Why I say that? Facebook Marketplace, for example, which is the dirtiest place in the world to buy a vehicle. I'm not joking. They take pictures of our vans, they cut out my sign up there, and they'll post this van on the internet. They don't even have the van for $15,000. Send a $2,000 deposit to hold it. Well, they're trying to scam somebody. You say to them or anybody, make sure you get a video of the VIN number. I want you to say your name. I want you to show me the VIN sticker right there. My name is Jeremiah Coleman. I own Affordable Mobility Solutions, and I've got this van right here in my possession today. They couldn't make the video because they don't have that sticker. Get you a video. Make sure you protect yourself. What we do with that VIN number, run a Carfax on every vehicle before we buy it. See, Carfax shows 3 service, no accidents or damage. It has 1 row here. I don't know why Carfax does this. They don't always put the number of owners. But if it had 2 owners, there'd be 2 rows here. 3 owners would be 3 rows. So this indicates 1 owner, no accidents or damage. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. And they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is 1 owner, clean title, no accidents. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never deployed, odometers accurate, and no matter who you do business with, look them up online, check out their reputation. Look at us on eBay, 1,576 transactions. Every single one of those left us positive feedback 100%. That's a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company, first of all. Check out their ratings and reviews and make sure they have a handful of reviews. Just 4 or 5 reviews could be a scam. Beware. So I hear horror stories all the time about people buying from a private individual or one of these low-end dealers with the 1 and 2 and 3 star reviews there instead of 4.8 like we have. They end up buying a vehicle that's got a salvage title they weren't told about, flood damage, major mechanical issues. So hey, if you want the 1 and 2 and 3 star experience, go ahead and deal with the general public and those low-end dealers. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service and the best prices in the country, I look forward to working with you. Okay, back to the van. It does have the 2 key fobs here. It's got the keyless entry, and when I open the door, I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unused odors in this van. Got the black cloth interior. It's super clean. This interior looks darn near brand new. Whoever had this van took excellent care of it. And I know you've already seen back here just a little different angle. A, showing you how clean these seats are, and B, just a little different perspective for those of you that might not be real familiar with these vans. When I go to turn a van on, 30,275 miles. Van fires right up. You can see all the dummy lights work and they go out. There's no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS.
Fast car.
The radio works just fine. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We test all the power, mirrors, windows, and locks. I'm going to show you those working right now. Mirror over here, moving. Test the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes. I take these on a road test. Check the tires. Of course, they're brand new tires. Nothing to worry about there. Even showing you the back vents. My point is, we do not just run you through the car wash and put them on the lot like so many dealers do. We go through a thorough inspection before they hit our lot. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6 engine. It idles smoothly. No signs of any damage. No signs of any leaks. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. Very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any fluid leaks of oil or anything like that. No signs of any major rust from being up north or anything like that. No signs of any water damage from being in a flood. That's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it looks good in pictures. They assume because it's got low miles. They assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. That is the most dangerous thing you can do. You know how many vehicles I see at auction that are brand new that are flooded? A new car dealership will take on a flood. They'll take all the vehicles to auction, just dump them off and make them someone else's problem. My point is, if brand new vehicles can have flood damage, you better know what you're buying. So I want you to go check out my competitors. I don't care if it's another dealer. I don't care if it's a private individual. I want you to ask yourself, do they show me the reputation online so I know I'm dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show me a Carfax report for free so I can see I'm buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, never been in a flood? Do they get down on their hands and knees and even bother taking pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage front and back so you can see no signs of a bad accident, no signs of any flood damage? Do they get up on the roof and show you the roof so you can see there's no hail damage, no holes being drilled in, from being taxi use? You know how many vehicles I see at auction every week that have damage to the roof, hail damage, things like that. But the seller doesn't fix it because no one looks at the roof. You know who looks at the roof? Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility. That's who looks at the roof. So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to reputation, and most importantly, when it comes to how thorough they are and showing you the exact vehicle you're getting, please compare me to the competition. Tell me what ends up happening if you buy a vehicle you can't get a title for because you're dealing with a shady individual. Or what happens if you end up buying a van that's got, you can't get won't pass inspection because it's got frame damage from a flood or an accident and won't pass inspection in your state. In both of those cases and in many more, if those happen, you bought a vehicle you can't drive, you bought a 4,000 paperweight. So to avoid those problems and so many more, do 4 things before you buy from anybody. Demand a detailed video, not some lazy 30-second walk around, folks. You're not buying a handbag off Amazon. This is a major purchase. Demand a detailed video. Second, demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax costs me thousands of dollars a month, but Carfax has the most thorough VIN inspection there is. I demand the best. You should too, especially on a purchase of this magnitude. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their reputation and reviews, make sure they're a real company. Don't be a lazy buyer. Lazy buyers get scammed. And then finally, demand a warranty. Our van comes with a 90-day, 3,000-mile drivetrain plus warranty. Good at any shop in the country. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. And I told you I'd get up here and make the video of the roof. And we have pictures of the roof. We inspect the entire van. Let's get her out for a test drive. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Caravan home, we've done our due diligence, we've made sure that it's roadworthy, pops up to 70 miles an hour, no problem. Steering wheel's nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. I got the cruise control set, cruise works good, runs and drives darn near like a brand new van. Very nice, very clean. Do keep in mind, we offer a complimentary 90-day warranty at no additional charge to you. We do sell long-term extended warranties that go as far as, I believe, 4 years on this vehicle. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee, they got document fees, they have tag fees, they have freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up the cost of the shipping and all of their hidden fees, that real nice price you saw online just jumped a few $1,000s. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about shipping and fees before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional cost to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they have a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, that in any business, and none more important than the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, to be 100% transparent with you. Keep that in mind when you're out shopping. I'm going to give the van a nice hard brake at the bottom of this ramp. You'll see no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration, which is all exactly what we're looking for. If you'd like to give us a call, or preferably a text message, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. If you text, anyone in our office can catch it on the computer and get back to you as soon as possible. Calling, leaving voicemails, this phone rings so much, it's hard for us to keep up on the voicemails, but whichever's best for you, but text is definitely faster. And I challenge you to ask the competitors if they are committed enough to customer service to give you a direct line to call or text the owner. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person, it's that super aggressive, pushy, used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, you definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman, give us a call, give us a text. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you, absolutely zero pressure sales here. I'm going to sell this Caravan whether you buy it or not. We do have financing available. Going to be a little bit tougher on a 2016, but we sure can give it a shot. They will finance some of these for well-qualified buyers. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, get in touch with us. We can call you up and take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether a standard or mobility vehicle. Get in touch with us. I can go over with you how that works. And if you ever do want to come in to see our inventory, we do welcome that, but we do require that you make an appointment. We stay extremely busy every single second of the day. We have vans at 3 different locations. Help us get the van or vans you're looking at in one location. Help us save some time and save you some time as well. Make that appointment. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I also know it's a major purchase, so I'm trying to be as thorough as I possibly can. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, and dozens of pictures of every vehicle, all with no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the entire country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thanks so much for checking us out at Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Give us that call or text today, and I hope you have a wonderful day.